Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to move your BNB from Uphold to your Phantom wallet. Don't worry, it's straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. By the end of this video, you'll be transferring assets like a pro. First things first, make sure you have both accounts set up. You'll need your Uphold account with BNB in it and the Phantom wallet app installed on your device. Phantom is popular for Solana and other chains, but with 2025's cross-chain updates, sending BNB is easier than ever. Step 1. Open your Uphold app or website and log in securely. Head over to your wallet dashboard and locate your BNB balance. Click on it to access the send or withdraw options. Step 2. Select the Send or Withdraw button for BNB. You'll be prompted to enter a recipient address. Now, switch to your Phantom wallet app. Open it, go to your wallet, and copy the BNB compatible address. Remember, Phantom might require you to add the Binance Smart Chain network first. Check for that in your settings. Step 3. Paste the Phantom wallet address into the Uphold send field. Double-check it to avoid any costly mistakes. Enter the amount of BNB you want to transfer and review the transaction fees. In 2025, fees are lower due to network improvements, but always confirm. Step 4. Hit Confirm and authorize the transaction. You'll get a confirmation email or notification from Uphold. Now, head back to Phantom Wallet and refresh your balance. It should show up shortly. A quick tip. Always use a secure connection and enable two-factor authentication on both platforms to protect your assets. If you run into issues, like network errors, check the blockchain status online. There you have it, you've successfully sent BNB from Uphold to Phantom Wallet. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.